performance. If you watched my last video, you watched me put together my version of a cyber deck. So just a prototype, first print I could actually put together, and it kind of worked, you know. Here, all laid out here, we got my finalized product. I'm hoping to be my finalized product. We got everything laid out here, everything that you see, we're going to use. I'm going to walk you through and show you what I did. You see here, I already hot glued some connectors back here. So I got my USB-C port, which is my charger to charge the batteries, and then just a USB-A port right there, just so you can plug peripherals or whatever you want to that. And I did already hot glue 2 USB speakers down here. They're just regular, right here, USB external speakers. Just took them out of the case and, you know, separated them. You see that's going to connect right into the USB cable. Same with that, plugs right into the USB. And this plugs USB-C right into the battery pack. Did that so, you know, everything wouldn't move around while I'm building this, you know. So, first thing that we are going to do though, is we're going to solder the power wires directly onto the back of the screen. My wires with my connectors on them right here. Got this one. It's a little longer for the screen. I needed a longer one for the screen. That's for the keyboard. Get to that later. A little bit actually. That's what I used. Come with wires and different size connectors. I need to get 2-pin one. Comes in handy for other projects too. I'm gonna pop a little bit more flux to the board. Just a little tiny bit. Don't really need a lot. So like I said, we're gonna grab the longer one. Got to make sure there's actually, I don't know if you can see that, but they actually have it labeled 5-volt and ground. And when you put the connector on, you got to make sure that you put the connector on the right side, the 5-volt on the right side and the ground on the right side. You know, you could plug. Real easy for somebody to solder the right connectors on this side, but put these in the wrong hole. And you don't want that because then you reverse the polarity. takes, you know. It's really flat, it's not getting weight, you know. It's fun to see. Flat as possible. Take a little class, I'll get along it. I'm gonna be good enough. I'm gonna go to the I can again show you weights. Ain't that just official? Ain't that the coolest thing of Pitch Perfect? You see I got my name carved out at the top right there. That serves two purposes. The first purpose is it's cool as hell, and I'm conceited, so I had to put it there. The second purpose is for ventilation. But the first and foremost purpose that serves is because it's cool as hell. Alright, now we got that all done. Now it's time to get this screen mounted into the case. Before I do that, I obviously got to plug it in. Got this right here. Probably a little long, but I didn't want to be short on this at all, so plug that in. Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. Right here. I might just desolder these wires up. I should have put them through first and then soldered them on. There, that goes there, that goes in, slide it here, goes this side right here. This angle right here, that is up. Just drop it in. And this way. And two right here. Hold down here. That's all on, that's all on, that's all on, look it up. One of these two. Hold down these. I only need two down shape. Slide it up. part. That is done for now. I'm also not going to glue this onto there until the very end. I want to make sure this thing turns on and works. I might have to take that back apart and get in there. Alright, now we can work on the bottom. You see here, I already kind of pre-prepped this off camera. Put my two ports in there, my USB-C port for the charging, and just the USB-A port just to connect, just an adapter, female to male adapter. So I could plug peripherals or whatever into there, you know. And then I also hot glue hot wire. Well, it looks like it's hot wire, don't it? Some USB speakers, these ones right here to be exact. I already hot glued them down there. They plug right into the USB port. Because that screen does not have speakers on it like the other one did. And a Raspberry Pi 5 does not have the audio jack on it. The 4 model and the 3 model had audio jack on it. I'm not sure about the 2, but for some reason they didn't put audio jack on the 5. So, there's that. Alright, see, I got pretty much that all set up. First thing I'm going to do is screw the board down onto the battery pack. You see I got this geekworm battery pack and two 650 3300 milliamp hours chargeable batteries. The batteries do not come with the battery pack. I had to buy those separate. This goes on just like this. Oh, and if you see all these little standoffs on this board, you got 4 standoffs right there, 4 right there, and then 3 right there, and they connect on all these points on the bottom, and that's how it powers the Raspberry Pi 5. I don't have to connect any wires from the Raspberry Pi to the battery pack. Alright, now that we got that all plugged in and stuff, we're gonna get our power button. This is just a standard ATX power button. Plugs into the motherboard. And then to hold it on the other side, I drilled a 6mm hole right in the front to put the power button right there. So we're gonna pull these through. here connector. One of these right there all lined up. And there's another one with the power switch. And then these are regular 5 volt outputs. And this one here 5 volt using 5 volt using 5 outputs and power switch. So the power switch is for you. You just use this one. And then for the LED, your power switch is doing 5 volts. Okay, no problem. Here, here. Alrighty, now I got these plastic bolts that I printed out. Printed out a couple different ones over here. And these ones fit the best. And these things kind of screw into it. Sort of. It holds the screen just perfectly, so I mean, that's all that matters. Fitzpatrick Electronics. The new and improved Pi 5 Cyber Deck. Alright, let's see what this bad boy could do. Make sure that volume's all the way up. See if the speakers work. What am I doing? Let's go to YouTube. Let's see if I get this. Let's see the screen a little better. tablet electronics. Tell me what you guys think. Even negative feedback is better than no feedback. And tell me what you guys think about my next project. Right here I got a little mini D-Link PC I took apart. This is the motherboard. Got 32 gigabytes RAM, DDR4, got two 16 gigabyte modules right there. 5 12 gigabyte SSD NVMe right there, I believe. Yep. Got some AMD Ryzen. I think it's a 5500 XU or something like that. I forgot what it said. But I got an idea with that. Basically, kind of utilize the same design, same case, get another keyboard, the other 7-inch screen from my original Cyber Day, and I want to build a game console, foldable game console Cyber Day. I'm not sure what color yet. Tell me what you guys think below.